Want to build a real stopwatch in Python? In the next few minutes, you'll learn how to create a stopwatch with start, stop, resume, and reset functionality using Python. No unnecessary talking, just the code and clear explanations. Let's get started. Now, let's get started by building our Python stopwatch application. First, I'm importing the required modules for this project. We need PyQt because it will help us create the graphical interface, add different widgets, and control the timer functionality. After importing everything, I'm creating the main application window. Here, I'm setting the title and the size of the window so we have a proper space for our stopwatch interface. Now, I'm creating the stopwatch class. Keeping our code inside a class makes the project more organized and easier to manage. Inside the constructor, I'm initializing the important variables that will control the stopwatch. These variables will store the time, track the current state, and help the buttons work correctly. Next, I'm creating the time display label. This label is where the current stopwatch time will appear. At the beginning it shows 0, but later it will update automatically while the timer is running. After creating the display, I'm adding the buttons for controlling the stopwatch. We need 4 buttons in total: Start, Stop, Resume, and Reset. Each button has its own purpose. The Start button will begin the timer, Stop will pause it, Resume will continue from where it stopped, and Reset will bring everything back to 0. Now I'm connecting these buttons with their respective functions. This allows the program to know what action should happen whenever a button is clicked. Moving on, I'm creating the Start function. When the user presses Start, the timer begins running and the displayed time starts updating. Next is the Stop function. Instead of deleting the current time, this function simply pauses the stopwatch and keeps the value saved. After that, I'm adding the Resume functionality. This allows the stopwatch to continue from the exact point where it was paused. Now comes the Reset function. When Reset is pressed, the timer stops and the display returns back to 0. The next step is creating the Timer Update function. This function is responsible for increasing the time value and refreshing the display continuously. I'm also using PyQt's timer because it keeps the application smooth and responsive while updating the stopwatch. Finally, I'm arranging all the widgets using layouts so the interface looks clean and properly organized. Now everything is connected together. The buttons control the timer updates the display, and the application is ready to run. After starting the event loop, our stopwatch is complete. We have successfully created a functional Python stopwatch with Start, Stop, Resume, and Reset features using PyQt. If you like this video, make sure to like and subscribe. Give me any feedback in the comment section below. Thank you.